In this video, we'll show you what to do if the sound or audio is not working on your Lenovo laptop. So to fix this, first head to the search menu and then select sound settings. Now select the first result. Here go to this output section and make sure that the correct audio device is selected. Once you have selected it, click on this tiny arrow next to it. Now here scroll down and go to this audio enhancements option. Now make sure it is set to off. Another thing you can do is use this drop down menu to switch between various entries and then click on this test button to see if the sound works after selecting each entry. However, if your device doesn't show up on this list or if you still experience problems, scroll down and then click on more sound settings. In here you will need to find your audio device. If it says disabled here, simply right click on it and then enable it from the list. Once you have enabled the audio device, click this button to set it as the default audio device. Additionally, click on this properties button next. Now go to this advanced tab right here. Now click on this restore defaults option. Now hit apply followed by OK. Once you have done this, head to the search menu and then type in services. Now select the first result that appears. Now here scroll down and then find Windows Audio Service. Simply right click on it and then select start. If the start option is grayed out, simply select restart. Similarly, repeat this step right here as well. So Windows Audio Endpoint Builder, simply restart the service and see if the issue is resolved. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to simply go to the device manager. So simply right click on the start icon and then select device manager from the list. In here you will need to expand audio inputs and outputs. Now here right click on your speaker. So this will be Realtek audio in most cases, and then select uninstall device. Now click uninstall as well. Now scroll down and then go to sound, video and game controllers. Here you should see this NVIDIA high definition audio entry. Simply right click on it and then select uninstall device. Now select this checkbox and then click on uninstall. Additionally, you will also need to find your audio device that you are using. So simply right click on it and then uninstall it as well. Once you have removed everything, simply go ahead and restart your Lenovo laptop and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.